Have you seen my money?
No, I haven't.
I can't find it.
Where did you put it?
I don't remember.
When did you see it last?
This morning.
Did you check your wallet?
Yes, I did.
Was it there?
No, it wasn't.
Did you check your pockets?
Yes, I checked them.
What about your bag?
Not yet.
You should check it.
Okay, I will.
Take your time.
I still can't find it.
Don't worry.
I need that money.
Why do you need it?
I am going to New York.
Really?
Yes, for a job.
That's exciting.
My flight is tomorrow.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Are you ready?
Almost ready.
That's good.
I found something.
What is it?
It is my money.
Great.
It was in my bag.
I told you to check it.
You were right.
I'm glad you found it.
Now I can travel.
That's wonderful.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
I am very happy now.
I am happy too.
New York, here I come.
Have a safe trip.
My flight is soon.
Yes, it is.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am.
Will you miss me?
Of course.
I will miss you too.
Thank you.
I am a little nervous.
Don't worry.
It is my first job in New York.
You will do great.
I hope so.
I believe in you.
Thank you for your support.
You are welcome.
Did I pack everything?
I think so.
I have my passport.
Good.
I have my ticket too.
Perfect.
The airport is very busy.
Yes, it is.
I hear an announcement.
Maybe it is for your flight.
I think you are right.
Let's check.
Yes, it is my flight.
It is almost time.
Time goes so fast.
It really does.
I am excited.
That's good.
I am also a little scared.
That is normal.
Thank you for coming with me.
I'm happy to be here.
New York is far away.
Yes, but you can call me.
I will call you often.
I will be happy.
I will work hard.
I know you will.
I want to be successful.
You can do it.
They are boarding now.
Then it is time to go.
I have to leave.
Yes, you do.
Take care of yourself.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Have a great day.
Have a safe flight.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I will never forget this day.
Neither will I.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir?
Can I have some water, please?
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I have some juice too?
Yes, certainly.
What kind of juice do you have?
We have orange juice and apple juice.
I would like orange juice, please.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
How long is the flight?
About 3 more hours.
Okay, thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
Hello,
Hello.
my name is Ryan.
Nice to meet you, Ryan.
Nice to meet you too.
My name is Jane.
Are you going to New York?
Yes, I am.
Me too.
That's nice.
Is New York your home?
Yes, it is.
It is my first time in New York.
Really?
Yes, I am excited.
You will like it.
Have you lived there long?
Yes, for many years.
I am going there for work.
That's great.
I got a new job.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The plane is moving now.
Yes, it is.
We are taking off soon.
That's right.
I like looking out the window.
Me too.
The airport looks small now.
Yes, it does.
Look at the clouds.
They are beautiful.
I have never flown alone before.
Don't worry.
Are you a frequent traveler?
Yes, I travel often.
The flight is very smooth.
Yes, it is.
Would you like some water?
No, thank you.
The view is amazing.
I agree.
How long is the flight?
About 5 hours.
That's not too bad.
No, it isn't.
I hope the weather is good.
I think it will be.
I want to see the city.
There is a lot to see.
I am very happy today.
That's wonderful.
Thank you for talking with me.
My pleasure.
Have a nice flight.
You too.
Excuse me, are you the manager?
Yes, I am. Welcome to our company.
Thank you very much.
Are you Ryan?
Yes, I am.
It is nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How was your flight?
It was good.
Are you ready to start?
Yes, I am.
Let me show you the office.
Okay, thank you.
This is our main office.
It looks great.
Do you like it?
Yes, I do.
Come with me.
Sure.
These are your coworkers.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome to the team.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
This is Sarah.
Hello, Sarah.
Hello, Ryan.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
That's good.
This is David.
Hello, David.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Do you have any questions?
Not right now.
We are happy to have you here.
I am happy to be here.
This is your desk.
It is very nice.
Do you need anything?
No, thank you.
Here is your computer.
Great.
We work from 9 to 5.
Okay, I understand.
We have a lunch break at noon.
Good to know.
Our company helps many customers.
That sounds great.
Teamwork is important here.
I like teamwork.
We help each other every day.
That's wonderful.
Are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
Today is your first day.
I am ready.
Good luck with your new job.
Thank you very much.
Welcome again.
Thank you. I am happy to be here. Good morning.
Good morning. How is your first day?
It is going well.
Do you like the office?
Yes, I do.
Is everything clear?
Almost everything.
Do you need help?
Yes, a little.
I can help you.
Thank you.
What are you working on?
My first project.
Is it interesting?
Yes, it is.
That's great.
I am learning a lot.
Do you like the team?
Yes, everyone is friendly.
We are happy to hear that.
Thank you.
Have you met everyone?
Not yet.
You will meet them soon.
Okay.
Are you enjoying New York?
Yes, I am.
Have you visited the city?
Not yet.
You should visit Central Park.
Good idea.
What do you think about the company?
I like it very much.
That's wonderful.
I am glad to be here.
Are you tired?
A little.
The first day is always busy.
That's true.
Did you finish your task?
Yes, I did.
Great job.
Thank you.
Keep up the good work.
I will.
Are you ready for tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.